Hallo und herzlich willkommen zurück zu unserem Deutsch-Podcast. Hello and a warm welcome back to our German podcast. This is day 3 of your journey to speak German fluently and confidently. In our last episode, you learned your first real sentences: Ich lerne Deutsch, ich kann es schaffen. Today, you'll learn how to greet people and introduce yourself in German, one of the most useful lessons for beginners. This is day 3 of your journey to speak. Let's start with greetings. I'll say each one in German first, then explain it in English. You repeat after me, ready? Keycap 1 Hello. Hello. The most common and friendly way to say hello. You can use it anywhere. Keycap 2. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Used until about 10 or 11 a.m. Keycap 3. Guten Tag. Good day, good afternoon. A polite way to greet someone during the day. Keycap 4. Guten Abend. Good evening. Use this when it's after 6 p.m. Keycap 5. Tschüss. Bye. A casual way to say goodbye. Keycap 6. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Formal, you'll use this in professional or polite settings. Now let's practice them together. Repeat after me slowly. Hello. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. Perfect. You sound great already. You're doing amazing, learning German one day at a time.